Good morning. So today we are going to study regarding affiliate marketing, especially related to the digital marketing. So what exactly affiliate marketing is? Affiliate marketing is an online sales tactic that lets a product owner increase sales by allowing others targeting the same audience, affiliates, to earn a commission by recommending the product to others. So what happens in affiliate marketing is you are a producer and I am the person who affiliate and I will use my tactics. So on behalf of you, I will do some create some links and I create some coupon ID and I use some blogs and I share your products online. Okay. So because of that, instead of you and I am selling your product, okay, as an endorsing your product. So after sales, so I will get some commission over it. So that is called affiliate marketing. Okay. So you might have seen YouTubers, you might have seen bloggers and all. They are specially go for this affiliate marketing. So at the same time, it makes it possible for affiliates to earn money on product sales without creating products of their own. You just need to have your blog. You should be somewhat famous, and you have to bring some strategy where you are selling others' products. Okay, by creating awareness, and if it is sold through the link which is generated for you, then you will get the commission for it. That is called affiliate marketing. Now, how does affiliate marketing exactly works? So here, to participate in affiliate marketing program, you need to take these 5 simple steps, very easy. Find and join an affiliate program, whoever are going for. There are some websites which provide this uh, particular affiliate marketing options. Choose which offers to promote. You can go for. Obtain a unique affiliate link for each offer because the link which comes to the page where seller is there. So the link should be unique, which is given to only you. So if its sales are coming from that particular link, so then it will be treated as you have it has come from your side, and you will get the commission. So share those links on your blog, social media platforms, or websites to get the commission, and you can have your own strategies. Collect a commission anytime someone uses your links to make a purchases also. So then you will get the commission for it. This is a typical process how you we go for it. So first, affiliate paid for increasing your online sales. So affiliate create relationship business like yours. So advertise your products and services. With that, internet user interact with your ads. So your website receives interested users, and then customer purchase your product and services. So because for that, you will get the commission for that. So what you have to do is seller and product creator. They are the first people who will be there. Okay. So whether a solo entrepreneur or a large enterprise is a vendor, merchant, product creator, or retailer with a product to market. So the product can be physical object like household goods or service like makeups and tutorials and all. So also known as the brand, the seller does not need to be actively involved in the marketing, but they may also be advertiser and profit from the revenue sharing associated with affiliate marketing. So these are the first people who are the seller and product creator. If you look at example, the seller could be an e-commerce merchant that started a drop shipping business and wants to reach a new audience by paying affiliate websites to promote their products. So if these things are listed over there, if someone is clicking from that side because of the huge, you can say the customer coverages, so obviously the sales will increases for him. There will be some leverages, and the one who is doing the affiliate marketer will get the commission for it. The affiliate or publisher, though is the person, so also known as publisher. So the affiliate can be either an individual or a company that markets the seller's product in an appealing way to potential consumers. Behalf of you, you don't need to market. We will market it through our website or our applications. In other words, the affiliate promotes the product to persuade consumers that is valuable or beneficial to them. and convince them to purchase the product also. So if the consumer does end up buying the product, the affiliate receives a portion of the revenue made, that is commission, which will be given to him. So affiliates often have very specific audience to whom they market, generally adhering to that audience interests. So this creates a defined niche or personal brand that helps the affiliate attract consumers who will be most likely to act on the promotion. So first part comes is the seller and producer, so who are looking for affiliate or publisher, and the part come is the affiliate or publisher, and then come the consumers, the end users. So whether the consumer knows it or not, they are the driver of affiliate marketing. So affiliates share these products with them on social media blogs and websites. When consumer buy the product, the seller and the affiliate share the profits, or might be profit or even the commission. So sometimes the affiliate will choose to be upfront with the consumer by disclosing that they are receiving commission for the sales they make. So other time, the consumer may be completely oblivious to the affiliate marketing infrastructure behind the purchases also. So these are the three things happens in especially affiliate marketing, continuing these steps. So first you have to find the join an affiliate program, choose which offer to promote and all you can choose. So here comes the seller and product creator, and between comes the affiliate publisher, and he will sell it to the consumer and get for commissions or share the profits. Now, how do affiliate marketer get paid? So they get it from the pay per sale. So how many sales are happening on that basis, they will get some percentage of commission or a profit by the producer or the content, the creator. So second comes the pay per lead. Okay. So a more complex system compensates the affiliate based on the conversion of leads. How many came and how many converted. So the affiliate must be persuade the consumer to visit the merchant's website and complete the desired action. That is nothing but purchasing. Whether it's filling out a contact form, signing up for a trial of a product, subscribing to a newsletter, or downloading software or files. So here he will get for a pay per lead generated. Pay per click. So this, so a program focuses on incentivizing the affiliate to redirect consumers from the marketing platform to the merchant's websites. So this means the affiliate must engage the consumer to the extent that they will move from the affiliate site to the merchant site. So the affiliate is paid based on the increase in the web traffic, whichever click are happening from that particular website, for that he will be paid. So this is regarding today's class. If you have any doubt, you can ask.